Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the communities on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the community section at the bottom of the page. And here you can find different communities on different social media platforms, for example Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and forums. And if you want to check one, click to the visit button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.